Chattogram, a vibrant city known for its industrial process. It's the largest and busiest seaport in Bangladesh. Kornofoli Export Processing Zone serves as a thriving industrial hub. Home to GB Garments. Welcome to GB Garments. Our Bangladesh head office is nestled in the heart of a picturesque green oasis. Situated in the midst of lush, verdant landscapes, our factory stands as a beacon of consistent garments of all kinds, in harmony with nature. GB Garments is deeply committed to producing the finest quality woven garments. Guided by Mr. Deepak Chaitran Jethwani, Managing Director, Mr. Girish Chaitran Jethwani, Managing Director, and Mr. Manipillai Vairamurthy, Chief Executive Officer of GB Garments Bangladesh. With their overwhelming leadership, GB Garments has emerged as a strong and trusted manufacturer by our partners from around the world. GB Garments is a 100% export-oriented manufacturer and is part of a family-owned group of companies, highly valued for its expertise in producing all kinds of woven garments. Embarked on its journey by establishing its first factory, GB Garments Industrial Limited (GGIL), in 2005. The company expanded its second factory, GBBL1, in 2012. Third factory, GBBL2, in 2016, and most recently expanded its operations with its fourth factory, GBBL3, in 2020. Within our expansive facilities, GB Garments operates 59 sewing lines, supported by a dedicated workforce of over 7,500 employees and 3,400 machines. Equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, we have the capacity to manufacture 20 million pieces annually. Our advanced techniques are implemented across various departments, including CAD and CAM, fabric store, fabric inspection, cutting, sewing, button zipper attachment, embroidery, quality assurance, inspection, dry room, final inspection, finishing, packaging, final goods store, and the shipment. We also have manufacturing capability in the United Arab Emirates. Our specialized facility in Sharjah, UAE, focuses on the production of formal suits and woven garments. At GB Garments, we use many cutting-edge automated machines that significantly enhance our manufacturing capabilities. At GB Garments, we take pride in our high-tech lab, and our R&D team is constantly working on improving and executing the best possible designs to stay ahead of the emerging trends. Our product development team utilizes advanced software and 3D modeling tools to transform their creative visions to life. GB Garments takes great pride in offering a diverse range of products, from uniforms and industrial workwear to health and hospitality workwear, technical and protective wear, as well as casual fashion, formal attire, and kids wear. Our showroom provides a dedicated space for our clients to explore our extensive offerings and make confident choices. GB Garments is proud to serve numerous esteemed clients from around the world. Some of our valued customers include VF Asia, Dickies, Vans and Timberland, MI Hub, Alexandra and Dimension, Workwear Group, Kingji, Hardyaka and L&T, Simon Jersey, Lando, Ellis and Richelieu. We also cater to renowned brands like Perry Ellis, Next and M&S, with numerous prestigious buyers from across USA, UK, EU, Canada and Australia. As an environmentally conscious company, we have made significant strides in the areas of energy and environment, with energy-saving technologies such as energy-efficient lighting, PFI energy control system, and our focus on natural, fresh air for temperature control not only ensures a comfortable working environment, but also significantly reduces our carbon footprints. We take great pride in our rich history and the tremendous efforts of our ancestors, fostering a positive and empowering work environment. We strongly believe in women empowerment and strive to provide equal opportunities for all employees. We firmly believe that happy workers create exceptional products. Our team exemplifies this philosophy at GB Garments. We believe in creating a better environment today for a better tomorrow.